Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
Alright, so on today's episode of That's Up. That's up.
This customer came in stating her tire was rattling.
This one's in for an oil change. A little power wire is over here. Quality repair. Impressive.
The last Hyundai I had, the engine was burning oil.
Yeah, they've had a bad run from like...
This Ford Focus's plastic thermostat housing broke, leading to the motor overheating. This vehicle's motor sat outside for 3 months with no valve covers and only a rag over the intake. As you can see, it ended up full of water, but after putting some cams, lifters, and rockers in it, somehow ran totally fine. Customer drove all the way from Mexico because he was told not to pull over out there. Somehow, it held up. Cummins VTA spring retainer failed, causing all of the valves to get completely destroyed by the pistons. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.